Hi, this is Anthony Manley from Global Trading Edge, and many of you this week have been asking me questions as to what's included if you were to attend the Financial Freedom Weekend with Global Trading Edge, myself and Lorraine. I've got a list here that some of you may have had access to that attended my 2-hour presentation, and the first thing on the list here I have is the 2-day interactive hands-on course. So what I'm actually going to do is go through with you right now exactly what's included. So let's have a look here. First thing, you'll get a manual that looks like this. So it is actually quite a thick manual. A lot of it is from my own personal experience and also Lorraine's experience of attending other courses and also what we've learnt over the years. So it's a very comprehensive manual. When you receive this manual, you'll be putting your name in here and your contact details. Then it's your manual. You'll also notice what you can expect to learn. This is a brief summary of what Lorraine and I have put together. So this is what's in the actual manual. What's in the manual? Here's the contents page here. This is not just going to be a weekend where you come along and you sit in front of me and listen to me talk all weekend. This is a hands-on interactive weekend. Expect to play games, expect to be active. One of the things you'll notice is I'll get you to write down your dreams and your goals. Most people don't have those types of things. I'm also going to buddy you up with somebody. You're also going to learn the essentials. So what I mean by the essentials is for example, time versus money. Where are you at? Understanding the stock market. What are shares? What else are you going to learn? You're going to predominantly learn about stock options. Although the majority of what you learn this weekend, you can apply to anything. And that includes Forex or foreign exchange. You can also apply it to contracts for difference, or commonly known as CFDs. You can also apply this to shares. You can also apply it to stock options, which is what we teach. You can also see here, I'll introduce you to other people on this weekend as well, which will help you out. I'll talk about that in a minute. We then move into technical analysis. What are you going to learn in technical analysis? Most people think this is beyond them. It's simple stuff. What you're going to understand is how to analyse a stock, determining the trend, support and resistance. So when the stock looks like it's going to take off again, go up or go down. What else are you going to learn? I'm going to introduce you to candlestick charting, which is great to determine when a stock is due to turn. So when is it going to turn? When is it going to turn to come down? When is it going to turn to go back up again? Fantastic stuff. What else are you going to get? You're also going to get people that I bring in, and that includes my own personal business coach. She's going to come on and give you a one-on-one session because trading is not all about technical analysis. It is about how you react to money and how you react to market conditions. What else are you going to get? We're going to bring in a mortgage broker as well, who's going to assist you on restructuring the mortgage to pay your mortgage off quicker. That's just an example. Now, if that's not great stuff, look, I'm unsure about what you're looking for. You need this because it's not just about technical charting, it's a lot of other stuff. So you're going to get a lot of hands-on games. You're going to learn about trading games. So this is this manual, and as you flick through it, it's quite comprehensive. Look at this. You can see here, I actually talk about consolidation analysis. It might be over your head at the moment, but after this weekend, you'll walk away, you have a great understanding. You'll understand about indicators. An example here, Bollinger Bands. That'll help you understand when to get in and when to get out. So this manual is very comprehensive, and I can tell you now, you're going to learn heaps about money management and all about trading. So that's the manual. What else are you going to get? You're also going to receive CDs and DVDs. You will get my 2-hour presentation on DVD with a bonus strategy on there. What else are you going to get? The bonus strategy is about being a share lord as opposed to a landlord, so renting your shares out. What else are you going to get? You're going to get that particular thing, that particular 2-hour presentation on MP3. Listen to it in your car. Chuck it on your iPod. Hey, great information. What else are you going to receive? You're going to receive a resource CD. How can you pay debt off quicker? There's a resource on there that'll help you do that. Understanding your retirement needs. A goal setting and self-awareness spreadsheet, which will help you understand where you're actually going. A budgeting spreadsheet, fantastic information. For those of you that need that information, I would strongly advise getting. You can buy any of these products as individually. What else are you going to get on these DVDs? You're also going to get another DVD which has got a 10-minute cash cow strategy on there. What does that cash cow strategy apply to? It applies to the US market. It is something that you need that you can apply straight away. And it's coming up, 1st of January is when you need to apply that strategy. Hey, that's a great package. What else are you going to get? You're also going to get this manual. What's in this manual? This manual actually includes, and it's part of that 2-hour presentation, it actually includes our ebook. You can go to our website and grab this if you want. That's globaltradingedge.com. Sign up. You can grab it as electronic format. What else is it? It's my actual PowerPoint slides that I did when I actually presented to you. You can buy this as a separate package if that's what you want to do. What else have you got in here? You've actually got a glossary at the back here. You can see this glossary. It's all the terms that you can expect to come across as a new trader. How good's that? You are definitely going to get that, and that is part of the package as well. Now, most of you, you've been asking me, you've been saying, well, hang on, how do these other stuff fit in? Now, I've got a lot of bonuses here that I'd like to add to that. Oh, before I forget, there is also a webinar that you can attend. And what we're going to do is we give you the first hour free. So you can attend that webinar before even attending the course to get a feel for what we talk about, and you can speak to past and present students on there. You're also going to get other packages, which include an additional tickets, and I'll just move this out of the way here. You're going to see additional tickets to Chris Howard's weekend. 3-day weekend. You can't afford to miss this. Great weekend. What else are you going to get? This is Chris's 3-day weekend. As you can see here, 2, 4, 6, 8 CDs that you can actually chuck in your car on your iPod, and you can listen to that whole weekend. That's if you want to do that. Contact us if you want to obtain a package like that. What else are you going to get? We also give you books. This is a very good book. Rich Dad Poor Dad teaches you a lot about where you're at with money. Let's have a look here. Just flicking through this book, it's got some great content in here. It's going to teach you about income, expenses, assets and liabilities, how to maximise your assets in order to actually increase your income. In other words, get out of the rat race. In other words, stop going to work, earning money and coming home again. I mean, hey, great information. You'll get that book as well. What else are you going to get? The Richest Man in Babylon. This book has got a great message. Fantastic book. I strongly recommend it. That is why you're receiving it. What else do you get? You're also going to receive, now I've got a couple of these magazines, a couple of back issues here. We've got a couple of magazines here. Think Big magazine. You can see here we've got Nelson Mandela. This is the latest one. Arnold Schwarzenegger. This is on a previous issue. Why am I doing this? Because I actually know the guy who's the editor of this magazine. Great magazine. It's got some great content in here. Actually, you can see Reuben Buchanan here, who's the actual editor of this magazine. Now's the time to raise capital. It's got some great information about property and finance. You will find some great people with some great information in this magazine. You will receive a subscription to the online version of this magazine. If that's not enough for you for a 2-day weekend, I'm really surprised to find that you won't find better value. If you do find better value, please let us know, and we'll see what we can do for you. Please be advised that if you are attending this weekend, numbers are limited. You will need to contact us as soon as possible. So I look forward to seeing you that weekend. Till then, take care.